Hello, parents and guardians of CISD 10th through 12th grade learners. My name is Dina Dinas. I am the Executive Director of Teaching and Learning for the Coppell Independent School District, and I want to speak to you for just a couple of minutes about our gifted and talented assessment practice for the 2020-2021 school year. First of all of our services and assessment practices, etc., are grounded in the state plan for the education of gifted and talented students. Um, we seldom have referrals for assessment in 10th through 12th grade, but if it was your intent this year to refer your learner, I want you to understand what our practice is going to be for this year. Obviously, equity is a concern because outside of the Texas state plan, the Texas Education Agency created some guidance for districts, and we cannot require in-person testing this year. And with learners being in both remote and face-to-face environments, that has posed a little bit of a challenge. Our solution is to have a face-to-face testing opportunity later in the spring, and that correlates to the state plan if you want to go in and look at it at 2.15. Parents of learners in grades 10 through 12 may refer their learners for GT assessment through the CISD GT website on the assessment and eligibility page. And we will continue to update and communicate our assessment plan annually. If we get later into the spring and we are unable to have that face-to-face testing opportunity, we will begin looking at what data points we have that could suffice for that requirement for identification. I know that this isn't the way we normally do things, and we're all being as flexible as we can. If you have any questions or need some additional clarification about what our intent is for our 10th through 12th grade learners moving forward, please contact me at ddinas@coppellisd.com.